Hey guys, portable lighting is key to a proper work environment. Whether it's in a garage, a house, car, or even a desk at work, good lighting is extremely important. Today, I'm going to cover our COB LED lights and discuss their individual features. COB stands for Chip on Board and happens to be the newest style LED light, which makes for the most reliable, longest lasting light. From handheld to magnetic and rechargeable to battery powered, we have the right light for you. I'd like to start off with our flexible work light, as it's the favorite of Matt, our metal shaping expert. While using items such as our bead roller, English wheel, and drill press, he utilizes the flexible neck and magnetic base to shine the light exactly where he needs it. Putting out 200 lumens on high and 80 lumens on low ensures you'll find the perfect lighting no matter the project. You can even focus the light with the push-pull focusing head if you really need to pinpoint the light. Even on high, you'll enjoy an 8-hour runtime, which saves you from constantly changing out batteries. This light even has an aluminum housing, which is water resistant, to ensure you can use it in practically any spot in the shop. If low profile is what you're looking for, check out the Eastwood puck light, which is perfect to store in a glove box, desk drawer, or anywhere at home because it takes up very little room, yet packs 600 lumens, so you always have enough light for the task at hand. Use the magnetic base to secure the light inside a project and adjust the swivel head to direct it at the exact spot you're working. You can also hang it using the plastic hook when the magnet isn't an option. My favorite feature is the micro USB charge port. I have these cables everywhere, meaning I never have to look far for a charger. A water-resistant rating of IP65 ensures I can use this even if you need light to change a tire in the rain. Wand-style lights are another popular option because their bright light output quickly floods a large area. In this category, we have two options, both of which are rechargeable with a 300 lumen output. Looking first at the rechargeable work light, you'll see a magnetic base paired with 3 different light positions to place the light right where you need it. We even include both a home and car charger to make sure you're always ready. Next up is our slim work light, which features infinitely adjustable lighting angle with the ability to even pivot the top light separate from the base. This is another great light which features a micro USB charging port for easy charging. With built-in battery indicator, you'll never have to guess how much time you have left before you need another charge. On top is a 50 lumen LED that will run for up to 24 hours and still supply sufficient light to work in the dark. Matching colors or even seeing a true color is nearly impossible with most flashlights. If you plan on doing any painting, I recommend checking out the Eastwood Solar Flare color matching light. Installed is a COB LED which emulates pure sunlight with full spectrum light for true color representation. Before every paint job in which I'll be matching existing paint, I always do a spray out to see if I need to tweak any colors, and this light lets me check that out inside or out no matter the weather. This light even has a 60 lumen LED on top that's perfect for getting into those tight areas or general use around the shop. Let's finish off with the Swiss Army knife of LED lighting. The Eastwood Modular Light gives so many options to light your next project with 1000 lumens of light. At the heart of this system is a rugged, aluminum housed COB LED mounted to a 170-degree adjustable stand with magnetic base. I use these even when I'm shooting videos at home to ensure I get the perfect light to showcase the product I'm using. Stick it to the underside of a hood, set it on the floor facing up under a vehicle, or sit it in the corner of a room in bare form. Or add on some of our attachments. The underhood light bar allows attachment of up to 4 light modules and stretches from 48 to 72 inches. Imagine 4,000 lumens in your work area. Cars aren't the only thing you can use this to work on. Check out the tripod, which holds up to 3 light modules. We have used this tripod for everything from detailing paint to painting a house, as it puts off the perfect lighting for just about anything. No matter where you need the light, we have you covered with the perfect lighting product. And don't let automotive be the only place you use these lights. From camping to tailgating, we recommend having at least one of these lights close by at all times. For more information on any of these, or to be able to purchase, you can click or tap the button in the corner, or you can follow the link that appears on screen.